Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to export Google Chrome devices list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. In the fast-paced world of managing Google Workspace, efficiency is the key. One common task that administrators often face is exporting the Google Chrome devices list. This important list contains vital information about devices in your organization, and being able to export it effortlessly can save valuable time and effort. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool offers a wide range of automation capabilities, including the ability to export the Google Chrome devices list effortlessly. Additionally, this tool offers a new action called Upload Data to Drive, which enables users to seamlessly transfer data from various sources to their Google Drive. How to export Google Chrome devices list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Chrome Devices action. Select the device ID and status columns. Leave the rest of the fields as default. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the Upload Data to Drive action. Click Sign in with Google to grant approvals to Foresight in Google Workspace. Select the Chrome device's CSV download link as the CSV file URL field. Additionally, specify the Google Drive folder path. Step 4. Click on Add Next Action and select the Email action. Enter the manager's email ID in the To field and give a subject line. Compose an email body and insert the Chrome device's CSV download link using the Add Variable icon. Click Review. Step 5. Enter a rule name. Click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. The process may take a few seconds to complete. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select Show All. Additionally, navigate to the Logs page to confirm that the rule executed successfully. You can download the CSV file from the Logs page in the Action History section. Then check the CSV file in the Drive folder. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.